Would someone please flush the toilet that MSNBC floats in? We know they're all turds. They float because they're lightweight turds. MSNBC, the place for tabloid gossip. We might even they may star Arianna Huffington. That's a real intellect. MSNBC, please flush the toilet that encases these despicable people. Let's begin with Contessa Brewer, who stated that she's been called a slut, and she's still there, and it doesn't bother her. And it doesn't bother her that Letterman refers to Palin as a slut. Contessa Brewer, the reason it doesn't bother you is because you are a slut. Miss Palin is not. What does bother you, this will bother you, Contessa. Sarah Palin is hot. Contessa Brewer is not. That, my friend, will eat you alive. I watched the idiots on that Morning Ho, or Morning Joe with Morning Joe with the Morning Ho, the blonde bimbo that has to take the bubble gum out of her mouth when she speaks, glorify Letterman's comments, justifying this despicable jerk who is the profile of the average child molester. Give him a pass, stating it's okay to slam women, especially Christian women. Not one person in that disgusting group of people could bring themselves to say that it's disgusting. They said it's okay, blamed Miss Palin for her child to like she's exploiting her child on TV. You know, you people exploit yourself. You show your ignorance. The real hero here is Scott Palin. The fact that he holds back from stalking Letterman down and slicing his jerk, useless throat. That's the real man here. Not you MSNBC pukes who ride along with a letter woman. Yeah, it's okay. Hey, as soon as your daughter, all you men that watch MSNBC, all you sophisticated men, they call yourself men, if you have daughters, as soon as they turn 18, they're open game for Letterman. They're open game for that bimbo, or all those bimbos on MSNBC. Contessa Brewer could not do the hard thing and stand up and say, look, this is kind of disgusting. Even to say a little bit disgusting. Hell no. Hey, they're open game. Oh, he's just a comedian. Yeah, he's just a comedian. Phil Spector was just a record producer. Of course, I'm sure MSNBC believes he's innocent. Would someone please flush the toilet that the blonde bimbo ho, I don't even know her name, her father worked for Carter or somebody, and so that shows you her socialization process. Please flush the toilet that these folks float in. I know that none of you sophisticated folks that thinks that it's okay if people cut down your daughters when they turn 18, condone implications of raping, and child molesting. Letterman fits the profile of the average child molester. White, male, wears glasses, American Jew. I didn't say anything about Israelis. American Jew.